So welcome back to the channel. This is a very important video for all the participants who are participating in the Google Cloud Arcade program. Some important things I wanted to highlight. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and do join our Telegram channel for important updates. Now coming over here to the arcade homepage, you must have observed that all the games except this work mid play has been expired. Now only this game is remaining. So here is some important guidelines regarding this game. So if you miss this, okay, if you miss this work mid play game in January, there is no point of completing this game again in February, March, April, and May. As you know, arcade program is a 6 month event. That's why I'm recommending if you want, if you have free time, you can complete this game. You'll be getting 7 arcade points from 6 set of games. 6 set, why I'm saying, because they have already mentioned that you have to complete from January to June. But if by any chance you miss in January also or in any month, then you won't be eligible. Or even if you are watching this video in February or March, then just avoid this green patch. Just complete other patches. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. For the solutions, you can check the playlist in the description or you can just navigate to the channel playlist. Apart from this, if you don't know how to participate in the arcade program, I have linked the video in the description. Do check it out and hurry up because very limited time is there to complete the lab for this game. And in case you have missed other games and you're watching this video for the first time, do not worry. Every month we'll be having new set of games. Like for February, March, and April, there'll be set of games. Okay. So the main thing is that I wanted to make you aware about the work meet play. That if you miss the January games, you won't be eligible for the 7 bonus point for this game, not for other games. For other games, you'll 100% get the points, but for work meet play, you need to complete the January set of games. Otherwise, you won't get 7 points. So this was a quick update. Do join our Telegram channel for important updates. To like the video and just subscribe the channel for more.